is Sanné Mestrom. I'm a sculptor from the Blue Mountains, Gundungurra land, and I'm here with mima, sitting on the edge of Lake Macquarie. This sculpture is called Lady of the Lake, which I was commissioned to create by Lake Macquarie City Council. And we're here today celebrating the launch. We've got all these loose parts that are accompanying the concrete sculpture, which kids have been playing on. I love creating these works. My whole vision of playable sculpture is to really combine the affordances of a playground with contemporary art, an intergenerational public realm where adults, grandparents, kids are all sharing a public space.